Today, I'd like to talk about this horrid little creature, the marmorated stink bug. Since this bug originated in Eastern Asia, it does not seem to have any predators over here, and the rate that these things are multiplying, it shows. Each bug can lay up to 400 eggs in a lifetime, and their lifespan is 6 to 8 months. Since they originated in Asia, they really like warm weather, which means this is the time of year they're going to try to move indoors. That indoors usually involves your house. This year I tried to take the offensive and destroy them before they made it into the house. I even got creative about it. I needed a longer arm, so I headed over to my bamboo patch, and I harvested a piece of bamboo to act as a longer arm. Now I could kill them no matter where they were on my house. Since the house is warmer than the outside air, they just hang out on the outside of the house. It did not take me a long time to realize smashing these little things is a really bad idea. The smell is absolutely awful, and whatever that smell concoction is made out of, it can leave permanent stains inside and outside of the house. So I came up with a better option. I noticed anytime these bugs are disturbed, they drop straight down off of the wall. So I got myself a painter's cup that's got a handle and a nice wide mouth. Then I mixed myself up a nice concoction of soapy water. The soap breaks the water cohesion on the surface and makes it so the bugs can't swim. I then poured that concoction into my painter's cup. Now all I have to do is hold the cup underneath the bug and it drops straight in. This works indoors and outdoors equally as well. Here we can see I collected the bug on the outside of the screen, but notice a bug made it onto the inside of the screen as well. How did he do that? As it turns out, this screen has a little 1/8 inch gap. That's all it took for this bug to defeat this screen. So if you're trying to bug-proof your home, keep this in mind. They are very persistent. Head back outside to do some more hunting. The handle on the cup makes it very easy to tape onto your bamboo rod. And once again, just hold the cup underneath and they fall straight in. In this short period of time, I collected 2 of them. Okay, let's take a look at half an hour's worth of hunting. I count 23 collected inside and outside of the house. Assuming each bug can do 400 eggs per year, I potentially removed 9,200 bugs I won't have to fight next year. And this method was very clean, no smell, and easy disposal of the bug bodies. Let's sum this up. Painter's cups are easy to get a hold of, but you'll definitely want to get started early growing your bamboo for next season's hunting. Well, thanks for watching.